Hi, I'm just recording. Hold on. Tap on my fingers. Alright, let me zoom you in here. You can keep all that in bloopers. Sorry. Sorry. Can you see it from there? Oh, I don't know if you can. Let me come a little closer. Oh, let me just fix this, sorry. Lamp. What am I saying? Okay. I can't! How do you do it? Oh, I've got to fix my hair or something. Oh, jeez. Alright, well. Oh, give me some light. This is bad. Cute, Bon. You should clean your car. That's what happens when you have a photo shoot and you bring your plants. This is a fun game. That stupid in the window. Oh, for gosh sakes. Piece of Okay. Super bad angle of me. Wow, what am I doing? Bonnie, are you a professional or what? Gosh, flippin' dang. Okay. Oh, well, fuzz. The clips that I'm making, I just want some like upbeat, fun music. Just only keep when I rip open the bag. You don't need to keep me this part right here. I don't want these like long clips. They're just like ding, 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 ding. Give me 1 second and maybe we'll make some dinner. Okay, now let me just focus on what I'm doing. Oh, it's like too big. Hold on. Oh, it's like too big. It won't fit in there. Am I gonna have to break it? Everyone spends their Friday night cleaning the toilet, right? Ah, the Zoom is stuck. Nobody wants to be that close. Okay, well, here we go.
I don't want Rocky.
Yeah, I know. Don't, jeez, Lincoln, go. Knock it off. Find shoes.
I don't want to wear my camera one.
Find shoes or you're not coming with me. You can keep that in bloopers. And earlier when I got mad at him too. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill someone. Okay, get in the car. Oh yeah, did I mention I'm in a bad mood? Do you have any kid traps? I'm ignoring you.
Baby.
Come here. Lincoln, come here. I don't want you to be goofy. Don't be goofy. Lincoln, I'm saying don't be goofy.
Okay.
Okay, Cody, what do you need?
Hey, Lincoln, you get out of there. Get out of there. There's glass in there, bud. The worst stuff is in there.
Stop, I really need you just to listen. You can keep that in bloopers. Get out, Lane, come on. Okay.
Hey, tell us about these.
Okay.
Those are for
They're for tomorrow.
The chewy ones.
Yes.
Zombies will come in our house and you want to feed them.
I would never allow zombies in my house. Oh, bless you. Excuse you. Did you just burpee?
No, that was lady.
Oh, that was, oh.
Oh, I think that was you.
I think that was Lincoln. Lincoln just got done telling me you can put the camera on me now. And then tap on my face so it's in focus.
Okay.
It's a hard job, isn't it?
It's not hard.
It's not for the faint of heart, is it?
It's not even harder.
Excuse me. Calm down,
You have to
please.
do
Lincoln,
round.
calm down.
1, zombies aren't real. 2, Mom will never let zombies in the house.
That's right.
And 3, zombies won't get me.
That's right.
Don't keep that in bloopers. Keep it in a real video.
What am I trying? I mean, okay, that's weird. Okay, anyway. Just spazzing out a little bit.
Keep that in bloopers.
Go ahead and eat.
Keep that in bloopers.
I want that to be all one clip.
And bloopers.
You can keep that in bloopers.
Keep me farting in bloopers.
Lincoln Roy.
Keep that in bloopers. For 100 days.
Do you think he knows what he's talking about?
Yes. I'm talking about 100 days too.
Okay. He officially does not. Joel, I need a thumbnail.
You go check upstairs. I think Boston just got hurt.
Come get me if you need to. I think they're just fighting. No one got hurt, they're just fighting. That's fun.
Oh, dang it. Okay. Sorry. Start here. The lighting's terrible here.
So come up here.
It's kind of blinding light there. How does that look? Okay, what am I saying? Let's see, the lighting's kind of bad, isn't it? I'm gonna say why I went with this. That's better. That better? Right there? Okay. I wanted to do clap.
Hold on.
That lighting's terrible.
Hopefully video ready.
Video ready, that's what I like.
And he was my baby one.
water bottle.
Gallon a day keeps the
Love handles away.
toilets nearby. I don't know.
Do you have a card I can pay for stuff with?
Say.
How many hours? Pockets for Joel, you can't just stop, okay? Joel, did you just fart?
No, it's the bridge is steep.
Wow. Joel, stop. Don't. Joel, it's really distracting me, don't.
Think they'll give me a ride?
Don't ask, just jump on. I thought it was the bypassers that just passed us. I was like, wait a minute. I know that dusty smell.
You know that crop dust anyway.
This is just for me getting a thumbnail. Oh, sheesh. Don't ask me why I thought that was funny. I don't know, I couldn't tell you why I thought that was so funny. Because I've had a day, and it's the only thing that is keeping me from busting someone's head open. Okay, tap on my face, make sure that I'm in focus, and I'm trying to like set up this tripod in the midst of like mouse city. Go! Gotta get a thumbnail. You know what? Let me just show you. Let me just undo this that I worked so hard to put here. Look what I'm sitting in the middle of. I'm trying to set up a tripod around this chaos, literally sitting in some disgusting animal's urine. Like, I'm sitting in this. This is what I'm sitting in. I'm staring over at this hole, making sure that a mouse doesn't come running after me, or a humongous spider, or whatever. Bonnie's losing her shit. Yeah, you better believe Bonnie's losing her shit. Okay. I mean, how is this so difficult? Do you know how to get a thumbnail, Bonnie? You've done this for 6 years now. Do you know how to get a thumbnail? No, you still don't. No. Come stand right here and finish telling me. You went to your friend's house today, and they asked you if you wanted candy, and you said
No.
because
I didn't want to be unhealthy.
so you didn't want to be unhealthy, but then you chose all of those things.
Yeah.
And did you eat them all gone?
Yep. Nolan gave me all 4 of his Laffy Taffy.
Wow.
I ate all of it.
So really you just had like a lot of Laffy, or like a lot of candy. Lady, come! Oh, you're inside. I thought you left. I'm sorry. I was gonna get mad at you. Holy crap, there is literal crap on their beds. There's the doggy bowl down there that's not hers with a bag of treats, and she's like, treats. Oh my gosh, your tears taste so good. I'm gonna eat every tear in sight. I'm gonna lick your tears. Oh, the tears are all good. You've gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, you have got to be kidding me right now.
Can I live with you?
No. She'll never recover. Jeez!
Man.
Well, if you would have seen before, his entire hand was covered and just looked like he wanted to be a cactus for Halloween.
Oh, look at your hair.
Well, no, and that's with James taking, put your head down, that's with James taking a whole bunch out.
Did you fall down the hill, bud? I don't know. He doesn't remember. That's how good it was.
You guys ran across that whole bridge! You guys are animals! I'm so proud of you! You see this drone? These are the behind the scenes footage of how we get our clips. You see that handsome man running? You see him running? Boy howdy, that's a handsome man. Hi, cutie!
Hey, it's good seeing you guys, Josh. In the next 7 hours.
Just make sure you stay right here.
If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Do like a thumbs up.
Okay. If you guys... Okay, I got it.
Wait, we have to have a thumbnail. But just be like normal, like don't try to be like so, yeah. Okay, sit up nice and straight. No duck lips. Just no duck
Yes.
lips. You can go, ooh. Hold on, let me scoot back a second. I know, sorry. I don't know, I don't like that. Put the boxes
go
down.
like this?
No, put the boxes down. Like sit up nice and tall.
I want to go like this so bad.
No.
You just trashed that lens.
Yeah, well. Yeah, I probably trashed it. Yeah, I probably trashed it.
Wait, Mom, I'm so sorry. You had to start that over because it's blurry.
There you go. Well, thanks for being my good camera girl.
Gonna fall on this and splatter.
Well, don't let it. Oh my gosh, it did it again! No! Wait, 1 second.
Boston, let me water. Guys, stop fighting them.
Oh. Oh no. No, what? Oh no.
Ah! Guys, can you stop fighting?
Okay, pause. Oh, see how it changes?
Uh-huh.
I wonder, would it change if I did a, come behind me, Joel?
This side?
Yeah, that would actually be good. Do you like this? Is this?
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Okay.
great.
Oh. Okay, I think that should be good. That was hard to bend over.
How are you gonna get that from the thumbnail?
I'm gonna get a screenshot. But who has the toothpaste? Hold it up so I can see the toothpaste. Like, I don't want you to block anyone, so hold it straight forward like this. Like that, okay? You can look at the camera right here. I want goofy. I don't want you to smile. I don't want you to drink it either. But I want to be able to see it. Yeah, I like that, Boston. But you need to be taller. Stand on your tippy toes. Cody, you not on your tippy toes. I can't see Boston. I can't see Boston. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We have to be in focus, don't you know? You're a vlogger. Oh, and now he's picking his nose. The mood is ruined. Don't you even eat that. Don't wipe it on your shirt. Why don't you go wipe that on a piece of toilet paper?
Oh, don't see my face. Boston just needs on Cody's face.
Are you making sure we're in focus?
Hey, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
Hey! Boston, get out of our background! Get in there! Stay in there! Go!
Are you wanting like a picture perfect? Is that what we're doing here? Okay, do you want me to like look and smile? Do you want me to...
Get out of our photo shoot!
1, 2, 3.
Night! Good night, everybody!
Are you trying to close the vlog for me? Can you say goodnight to everybody?
Good night! Bloopers! Keep that in bloopers!
You heard him, that's the ending to the bloopers video. Can you turn the camera off? You know how? Good job.
Hey!